Hey, today I just wanted to show some of the Stanley router replacement parts that we have manufactured over here by Woodya. Just wanted to show real quick the quality. These are stainless steel. Look at that engineering right here. Everything's meant to work perfectly on these guides. Look at that. No guide. No guide. Guide. Now you know it's compatible. So go ahead, you line it up here. They fit perfectly into here. And then we take the handy dandy screw, we put it in and screw it down. Done. Easy, they stay in secure. I include a lock washer just so you could have confidence that it's not gonna move. As far as the other parts that we offer, this bad boy is always missing, so we wanted to go ahead and have this made. And these are frequently missing as well. So we went ahead and we had these made. So let's show you how easy it is to install. Okay. Right there. Let's get our blade lined up. These are old, nasty, rusty, crusty. This is the stuff that we don't want anymore. This is what we're saying no to. But for now, we're gonna say yes to it because I haven't started making them yet. So if you wanted to actually just see why people like the Woodya screws better, it starts with this. We like the ability to do this. This is it. Done, locked in place, ready to go. So these right here, they're perfect. They work on all the different variations. It comes right off. Look how nasty that is. Disgusting. Or you could sit here and you could upgrade to this bad boy. And once you clean up your router, look at that. So people should feel confident because I am a woodworker. Look at this. Terrible. Terrible. Proof's in the pudding. So these are stainless steel. These will last a lifetime. If you have the grooves, cool. If not, you could always mill a board to put on the bottom. But enough about me. These parts speak for themselves. Have a great day, everybody.